Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are reviewing Firebase to help you decide if it is the best backend platform for your next app in 2026. So what is Firebase? Firebase is Google's backend as a service platform that lets developers build web and mobile apps without managing their own servers. It provides everything from databases and authentication to cloud functions, hosting, analytics, and AI integrations, all in one platform. Key features. One of Firebase's biggest strengths is its ease of use. You can quickly add user authentication with Google, Apple, email, or social logins. It also offers Cloud Firestore, a real-time NoSQL database that automatically syncs data across devices, making it ideal for chat apps, dashboards, and collaborative tools. Another major advantage is serverless development. With cloud functions, you can run backend code without maintaining servers. While Firebase hosting makes deploying web apps fast and secure with built-in SSL and a global CDN, Firebase also includes useful tools like cloud storage for files, Crashlytics for cache reporting, Google Analytics, remote config, and performance monitoring. These features help you build, monitor, and improve your app from a single dashboard. In 2026, Firebase has also become more AI friendly, making it easier to integrate Google AI models and AI powered features into applications. Cons. However, Firebase is not perfect. Its NoSQL database may not be ideal for applications with complex relational data. Pricing can also increase significantly as your app scales, especially with high database reads, writes, and network usage. And while it's built in Google Cloud, moving away from Firebase later can require considerable effort due to platform specific services. So, who should use Firebase? It's excellent choice for startups, solo developers, MVPs, mobile apps, SaaS products, and teams that want to launch quickly without managing backend infrastructure. On the other hand, if your project requires complex SQL relationships, strict database control, or you are trying to avoid vendor lock-in, platforms like Supabase or a custom backend may be better options. Final verdict. So is Firebase the best backend platform in 2026? For rapid development, scalability, and an all-in-one developer experience, yes, Firebase remains one of the strongest backend platforms available, especially for teams that value speed and simplicity. Just be sure to understand its pricing model and long-term scalability before committing to large-scale projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.